Okay, so we're going to go over part 3 here. So first, the first 6 problems are a review from one-step equations. So the first one says, what is the inverse operation of addition? Inverse operation just means opposite, and the opposite of addition is subtraction. Same thing, what's the opposite of division? Inverse operation of division means opposite. That would be multiplication. You can just put the symbols if you want. For the one-step equations, remember you just solve which number is each of the variables. 6 plus what number equals 8. Mental math, you could figure it out, it's 2. And then 3 times what number equals 18. Well, you can just take 18 divided by 3 to get 6, and that would be what x is. X minus 3 equals 11, so when you're subtracting 3, the opposite would be to add 3, so you want to add 3 to both sides. So minus 3 and plus 3 will cancel, and then it's just 11 plus 3, which is 14. You can check your work. And then x divided by 3 equals 15. So remember the trick when you have a fraction on one side, you can just multiply 3 times 5, which is 15. These next ones are the inequalities. So the first one, let's read the word problem. It says, if x is less than 5, remember it opens up to the bigger number, so that means it's less than 5. Then which number below makes the statement correct? Well, 4 is less than 5, right? So we know it's that one. 5 is equal to 5, so that wouldn't be correct. And 6 is greater than 5. So the answer is x equals 4. Same thing here on the next one. It says if x is greater than 5, which number will make it correct? Well, 4 is less than 5, 5 equals 5, and 6 is greater than 5. Oops. 6, so it's 6. And these one-step inequalities here, so we're going to solve them exactly how we would solve an equation, and I will fix all of this in the document so it won't be equals anymore because it's actually not equal to that number. Sorry, that's the bell. Okay, we're going to keep going. So if x plus 3 has to be less than 9, in order to get x by itself, we subtract 3 from both sides. We're left with x, and then we keep the symbol exactly the way it is, and then 9 minus 3 is 6. So we leave it just like that. That's our answer. It's not x equals 6, it's x is less than 6. And if you want to check to make sure it works, plug in a number that's less than 6, like 5, and you'll see that it works. So this is x minus 7 is less than 2. So to get rid of minus 7, we add 7 to both sides. We're left with x on this side. Keep the symbol the same. 2 plus 7 is 9. I'll let you do these two on your own. And this one we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. And this one we're going to add 2. The next one is 2x is less than 24. That's 2 times x. So to get rid of multiplication, we divide. So we divide both sides by 2. We're left with x is less than 24 divided by 2, which is 12. You could do the same thing here. Divide both sides by 5 to get your answer for y, not x. In this one, we're multiplying. So x divided by 2 is greater than 6. So instead of divide by 2, we multiply both sides by 2 times 2. Then we left with x on this side is greater than 6 times 2, which is 12. Same thing here. You're going to multiply both sides by 9 to get your answer. And then these last two have solution videos. And then there will be challenge problems that are optional.